once again at the Lillard Science Center at Lake Forest College. Here's the elevator we just filmed. And if we walk down the hallway here, we go to the newer part of the building. But also there's something to see in the hallway. There actually used to be another elevator in this building, but it got removed. It was a GNS that got modded with Adams VR buttons. And you can see it was right here. You can see this was the doorway. You can see the outline of where the door was. Right there. But anyway, they now have a different elevator, and it's all the way at this end of the hall. It's getting late. It's 3300. It's an older 3300 as well. Here's your fixtures and your certificate. All right, let's go down to the lower level. I like when the floor in the elevator matches the floor outside. pH is locked, so down to 1. And that's it.